My name is John Griffin Donlin. A lot of people call me Dr.Leisure. I like to make these short videos on a variety of topics: food, fashion, travel. I like to make these short videos and I hope you like watching them. But if you don't, that's fine too. According to a preliminary copy in the Natchitoches Parish Journal, the Patio Cantina and Grill at the location formerly known as Maglieaux Riverfront Restaurant, which served its last customers on April 14, 2024 before closing its doors, its Nopal owners have plans to assume the lease on the building and reopen the restaurant under the new name. The new restaurant will be modeled after Cabo Verde in Shreveport. In turn, Baton Rouge's Country Roads magazine, well known for its careful regional coverage, tells us that Gabriel Balderas is the 42-year-old chef and co-owner of two of Shreveport's most popular restaurants. With his wife and business partner Brooke, Gabriel opened El Cabo Verde, a modern Mexican cantina with a locavore-friendly menu, in 2016, and later Zuzu Coastal Cuisine in 2019. These restaurants provide locally sourced ingredients while challenging guests' perceptions of Mexican cuisine. The eateries El Cabo Verde and Patio Cantina are not owned by the same folks, but seem to serve menus of related orbits and with similar goals, while El Nopal and Patio Cantina are owned by the same folks and intend to take and provide a different perspective on Mexican food, which, as many know, is varied and includes a wide range of options. When we visited, we found our meal fresh, properly prepared, and briskly brought to the table by able and attentive staff. We enjoyed the experience and would repeat if the opportunity presents itself. Patio Catina Grill, just across the street from the Louisiana Sport Museum, 5412 University Parkway in Natchitoches, Louisiana.